Now let's get into the Intense 5. And the curfew hours have been reduced. We're back to an 8 p.m. lockdown. Just follow the rules now so we can get back to normal. Beanie pleaded not guilty when he turned up in court this week. He returns in March, so let's see what they're going to say. Phantom Moja versus Mutabaruka, but why? Good thing though is that Phantom apologized to Cindy Breakspear for getting her involved in the mix-up. Skilly Bang got how many views? Almost 3 million views. Am I go on? You go on here, Skilly? And finally holding the spot this week, Gorilla Glue hair girl Tessica is finally free. Well, her hair at least. The glue was removed by doctors this week. Gorilla Glue even sent out a release wishing her the best and reminding people it's for crafts, not your body, not your skin, not your hair. Whew, child, Tessica, you're lucky for that one. That's it for the Intense 5 tonight.